There you go. How fabulous is that? That is our chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. Oh yeah. On there with just a little bit of parmesan. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a light one. Fantastic, doesn't have to be for summer. I like this any time of year. We are going to do chicken bacon pasta ranch salad. Let's get on with it, come on. I'm using spiral pasta today. There's some boiling water in here. I'm going to go in here with some salt. I'm going to chuck this pasta in. Chuck it back on behind me and we're going to cook it for about 8 minutes. In about 8 minutes time that's coming out of there, we're going to rinse it under cold water and just put it to one side. Okay, I've already started prepping. I've got tinned sweet corn. I've cubed up a little bit of cucumber, which is going in at the end, so we have some crunch. I'm using bacon bits. Now you can use normal bacon and cut it all up, but I'm lucky enough to be able to buy bacon bits. I've got bacon bits there and that's what we're using. Want a little bit of red onion. Again, this is just one of those dishes where you just chop it any old how and you just put it in. There's nothing really complicated about this at all, and it is so delicious. Fantastic anytime. So we got some red onion back in there. We're using romaine lettuce today. Same sort of stuff you would chuck in a Caesar salad. Right, cherry tomatoes. We've got a few here. The small ones you can leave. The big ones you can halve. Or you can cut across like that. It depends what you fancy. Just do what you want. Job done. Bacon then. Bacon we want. Now these are bacon. You can see how terrible this is. This is bacon bits. But just rub your knife over it. Or if you're using good bacon, you're going to have to cube it. Okay? It doesn't have to be anything too complicated. We just want to cube it up for frying. We're going to use the bacon fat. I've got a couple of chicken breasts here and we don't want the skin. Not for this one. Actually, you could just actually cook it with the skin on. It won't make a difference. But we want to be having some cubed chicken. Just watch for bones if you're using fresh like this. Let's have that out of there. So we want to cube it. You want to have a decent cube in your salad. So it's entirely up to you, big or small, as you like, as usual. It's a steady one. Get a pan on, chuck your bacon in there, and what we'll do is we'll use the bacon fat to cook the chicken. So a little bit of colour, a little bit of crispiness on here is not going to go amiss, is it? Come on, it's bacon. When you've had about 7 or 8 minutes and your pasta has got just a little bit of chew left in it, drain it, rinse it with cold water and let it stand. Bacon done, out of there. Now what you've seriously got to do is hide it. This is worth just dibbling into straight away, and we could just end up with a chicken salad. In there, chicken. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Nice little bit of colour to come on there, come on. Takes about 8 minutes. Once you've got a little bit of colour, it's flame off. Let that cool down. We're going to make a ranch dressing. Okay, ranch dressing. In here, mayonnaise, sour cream. In here, buttermilk. Now, if you can't get buttermilk, you make it. It's 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or vinegar. Leave it stand 5 minutes or more, and you have buttermilk. Give that a little mix in. So we want some garlic powder and some onion powder in there. About a teaspoon of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. This is dill and parsley. A little bit of salt. Some black pepper. A whisk in. Want those powders to start to rehydrate in there. Look at that. Looks like a fabulous ranch dressing already. Beautiful. Want a little bit of lemon juice to freshen it up. Okay, we need to be putting this together. What a bowl. Want our pasta in there. Give it a little mix up. That's loose enough. So basically, onion, our corn, tomatoes, in there with that bacon. Don't pinch any. In there, our chicken. Let's just give that a little turning in to start off with. And then we chuck our cheese in here. Doesn't that look fabulous? Could have done with a bigger bowl, I reckon. Okay, grated cheese in there. Now you could use Monterey Jack, anything like that. This is cheddar. I want to chop some fresh parsley. That will do. In there. Stir through. Oh yes, please. Now we're talking. Romaine lettuce. We're doing no more than just slicing it across. We want about inch pieces or something like that in there. Give it a mix. In there, our dressing. And that is it. That is a fantastic salad right there. Got some cucumber, I'm going to chuck it in now. But you can chuck it in just before serving if you want to keep it really crunchy, because it is going to start to soften slightly in here. But I'm not bothered about that. There you go. Look at that. Okay, that goes in the fridge. We put that in the fridge for half an hour and then we serve it up. Let's be serving it up. Come on. On there, a little bit of green onion. There you go. How fabulous is that? That is our chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. Oh yeah. On there with just a little bit of parmesan. There you go. That is a bit special. Oh, our chicken. Oh yeah. Come on in there for some pasta. It's sensational. Well, there you go, healthy one for the channel. All those flavours in there. Our chicken, we can taste our ranch dressing. We've got that smoky bacon coming through there. And that little bit of parmo we've just chucked over the top. Oh, so there you go, that's a cracking little meal. Easy to come together, superb. Eaten anytime. You know, if you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. Oh, I've got a right forkful there. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.